Hello, my name is Khánh. I'm from ĐUN English. All kinds of factories. Table of contents. What is a factory? What do factories make? What is a factory? The factory are big buildings when made. Some factories are in the city. Some factories are in the country. Some factories use huge machines. Some factories use small machines. Some factories have robots make goods. Some factories have people make goods. Some factories have both make goods. What do factories make? This factory turns wood into paper. People write or draw on paper. This factory turns cotton to cloth. People make clothes from cloth. So this factory turns sand into glass. People use glass in windows. This factory turns car parts together into car. People use car to drive different places. What did you use today that came from a factory? Goodbye.